what's going on? My name is Joseph Gonzalez and I'm with HoodCleanProfit.com. I just want to make this short 3-minute video for you real quick here, show you what you can do right now today to take your hood cleaning business to that next level. Maybe you're just starting out, you've got a couple clients, you got a couple quarterly cleanings. I don't know where you're at exactly, but I just want to paint a little picture for you for when you've got 3 teams out there, you got 3 managers managing your vans, your trucks. You guys are going out there around the clock cleaning hoods. You've got 40-50K worth of cleaning coming in gross every month, and that is very real numbers. We work with hood cleaners from California clear to New York City, and I see a lot of numbers on, and I see what's going right and I see what's going wrong at the same time. So if you're in the Los Angeles area, you're going to get the results what you see before you, Los Angeles hood cleaning. Now, keep in mind, Los Angeles is, you know what, the inner city, about 4 million. And I just want to show you something real quick, some past success that I've had. In New York City, if you look up New York hood cleaning, you're going to come up with these results. And as you can see, New York Hood Clean Kitchen Exhaust Cleaners, that is our client we work with in New York. And they are ranking #1 not only on the organic or on the business listings, but on the organic as well. And the amount of calls this website generates is insane. You know, New York, what, 8 million population right in the inner area? It's just insane. So this is so possible. Could you imagine going from, I don't know how much new business you're getting without going and beating the streets, but could you imagine if you're getting every day 5 to 10 calls, new inquiries every day? I'm not talking a week, but every single day you were going out and doing a couple bids. It's just insane that you can grow your business like crazy. We actually have guys that we work with have growing pains because they go from a guy and his buddy in a truck to literally a crew, 3 crews, 3 guys each, round the clock. It's crazy. But if you want to hit those 6 figures, you want to hit that nice lifestyle, and we'll help you out. You don't got to, when you're going like that, you know, it's easy to get really stressed out, but trust me, it's so worth it. I mean, once you make it and you bank it, I mean, I got a guy I worked with for 3 years now, and one of these days last month, he hit me up and was like, hey man, he's like, I'm going down to Mexico for a week. Everything's rolling back home. I got my managers completely taking care of everything, and he's just down there partying in Mexico. He's down there in Cabos, Los Cabos for, you know, how long? Baja California. And it's nuts, man. It's nuts. Very possible. If you're interested, give me a call. 706-371-6308. Absolutely no charge to give advice. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.